Let's take a look at me. Ow! Get me out now.
Wait!
What? I do jumping jacks. Where is it safe?
Yeah.
How do you do jumping jack again? Oh, damn, it's heavy. Get me out now. What?
You look so funny.
Dude,
Yeah?
can you get me out now? Dude.
I'm taking pictures of you.
That would be so scary if you got in bed
And your blanket
hugged you.
came to life.
What?
And your blanket came alive.
Hey, baby.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna fall.
That looks so messed up, I'm telling you.
Huh?
That looks so messed up.
Does it?
Yeah.
What should I do then?
Take it off.
You have to get me out, man.
What? You can't get out?